Hi everyone, welcome back. In this time-lapse video, I'm redoing the roof of my workshop. At first, I wasn't sure I wanted to share this process because it's not the most intricate or maybe interesting video, but I thought there might be someone who was interested. Now the reason why I'm redoing the roof, here where I live in the Netherlands, in the winter months, heavy storms occur. At those times I did see some water leaking into the workshop, so I wasn't happy how I did the roof in the first place. In a minute you can see where the two wet spots under the roof were, but those two were the only ugly spots. What I'm doing different this time is, under the roof I apply 2 sheets of HDPE plastic. This plastic will overlap onto the siding, and apart from that I'm using corrugated sheet steel or trapezoidal of shape. Over the ridge of the metal I apply some silicone. This helps as an extra barrier against the wind and water blowing into the roof. I use a center punch before driving in the screws. This helps a bunch to start the screw. All in all, I'm happy about the result and it seems to hold up fine against the wind and water.